Hey everybody, welcome back to Taiwan. This is one of the most popular dishes here we have at the restaurant. It's called spicy noodle. The noodle is a wonton noodle, okay? And what we do is crispy fry this in a deep fryer, okay? And just plate right here in this bowl. And the fun part about this is what I do here is we use a lot of fresh vegetable, okay? And all the vegetable I have here. So we're gonna do with we use broccoli, green onion, white onion, carrots, green and red bell pepper. Okay, bamboo shoot, couple of baby corn, mushroom, tomato, and fresh basil. Okay. All right. And we're gonna do a pork today. Spicy noodle pork. All right. We're gonna go to the wok. First, heat up the wok a little bit. A little bit of oil. Should I wok heat up a little bit? Try to cook the meat all the way through yet, because you're gonna cook the rest of the way here in a little bit. I'm gonna add the noodle vegetable all at once. Cook that up a little bit. You want to steam the vegetable a little bit, just add a little water here. Of course, no Thai dish without fish sauce. Add a little fish sauce. Okay. Just tad more oil, about another ½ ounce. Okay. A house sauce. We'll do a couple later of that. This is 1 ounce Ladle. I'm going to use 3 ounce Ladle here, okay? 3 ounces of sauce. A little dark soy sauce. Right. Tapioca starch. I like tapioca starch. It's more rich. It's more consistent for me. Or you don't have it, just use regular cornstarch. Okay. I'm gonna add a little more stock on that. This is a vegetable stock that we use. We steam all our vegetable here first before we cook them. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more vegetable stock. Okay, thick that up a little bit. And we'll bring it back over here. And we're just gonna pour right on top of our noodle. Let me do this way so you can see it. How beautiful and fresh that is. Okay, I'm gonna finish it off. I'm gonna top it off with fresh bean sprout. Again, with any noodle dish, you season, spice. If it's not spicy enough, okay, go ahead and add a little fresh pepper. Okay, I like mine with vinegar and pepper a little bit. Go ahead and add that on to it. Some like to add a little more sugar. I got some fresh, toasted garlic here, garlic oil. That's real good with that too. Okay. If it's not spicy enough, as you taste it go, you want to mix this up when you eat it. Okay. And you got a fish sauce here and a little more soy sauce if you like. Everybody, I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for tuning in.